Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with a brand new tutorial to show you how to get free skins in Call of Duty Mobile. You can actually get a CODM redeem code that's going to supply you with every single skin for free. And this is going to save you a bunch of money, so you don't need to spend it on Call of Duty points. You can literally use a redeem code. And once you get your code that I'm going to show you, you enter it into the Call of Duty Redemption Center. So you will enter your code and your user ID, and that is going to unlock all skins in Call of Duty Mobile. Before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So anyway, guys, I recommend you use your mobile phone. Just use the mobile that you play Call of Duty Mobile on, and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So basically, guys, you're just going to want to navigate your way to Crash Coupons, and this is a game code website. Now, they don't only have mobile games, they mostly have console games and Roblox games, but yeah, if you play Call of Duty Mobile, you're going to love this selection of codes. So I do recommend just searching in the search bar at the top, where you can literally just type in CODM or Call of Duty, and it's going to navigate to this page. Now, there are a couple of codes. You can get free CP. I've made a previous video on that one, but this one, you can unlock all operator skins and blueprints in any COD game. Now, I'm referring to Call of Duty Mobile, but this does work on Warzone, Black Ops, Modern Warfare. So yeah, this is simply a redeem code you can enter in whatever game, any Call of Duty game that you play. So I have already done this, and what this is going to do is going to allocate you a code. You can see these are limited. There's 917 at the time of recording, so you do need to unlock your Call of Duty skins code, which is completely normal. Basically just prevents people creating bots to steal all of these codes. Obviously, they're quite desirable. So what you need to do is unlock your code by clicking this button. Now, I've already done this, so I won't do it again, but you just need to follow through the instructions here, guys. Long story short, you just got to complete a couple of the tasks you see on this page, and that is going to unlock your code. It is very important. I must stress that you follow the instructions to complete 2 of them. They're really easy things, like installing apps and opening them for 30 seconds, creating an account. Yeah, just make sure you read the instructions. They're all completely free. It will take you about 5 minutes. Once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your CODM redeem code for free skins will be revealed. So you grab the code from the box once you get it, enter it into the redemption center, guys. So you would enter it in there, and that is going to get you all skins in Call of Duty Mobile for completely free. Go to Crash Coupons, and when you reach the homepage, just simply navigate your way to the Call of Duty Mobile redeem codes page. Hope you enjoyed. Enjoy your free skins, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.